Hello viewers, welcome to all in this new session. Today we start the second chapter, that is polynomial. In class 9 you have learnt about the polynomial, what is polynomial and types of polynomial on basis of their degrees and on the basis of their terms. Now first of all we recall and after that we proceed for this chapter. Now polynomial. As you have seen in the class 9, suppose here Px is any polynomial in x, then this x is called variable and the highest power of x in the polynomial is called its degree. For example, if we take polynomial Px, it is equal to 4x cubed plus 3x square minus 2. Then highest power of x, it is 3, therefore its degree is 3. Now types of polynomial on the basis of its degree. In class 9 you have learned about the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and constant polynomial. Here we recall only the three polynomials: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. In linear polynomial, its degree is 1. For example, let Px it is equal to Ax plus B, where these A and B are real numbers, x is called variable and highest power of x in this is 1, therefore its degree is 1 and it is called linear polynomial. That means a polynomial of degree 1, it is called linear polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic. For example, take Px, it is a polynomial over x and it is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c, these are the real numbers. This a should not be equal to 0. ये 0 नहीं होगा, because 0 होने से ये term 0 हो जाएगा, that means ये linear polynomial हो जाएगा. Therefore a should not be 0 and degree of this is 2 because highest power of x is 2. Now cubic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 3, it is called cubic. For example, Px, it is ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are real numbers and this a, it is not equal to 0. Now, in class 9, you have seen the constant polynomial. A polynomial in which its degree is 0. If a polynomial, its degree is 0, then you will say this one is a constant polynomial. For example, if you take 7, with the 7 you can write 7 into x to the power 0. Therefore, exponent of variable x is 0, therefore degree of that polynomial is 0. And there is another polynomial. In the class 9 you have learned, that is the zero polynomial. The degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. Now we see here value of a polynomial. Suppose Px is a polynomial in x and k is any real number, then value obtained by putting x equal to k in Px is called value of the polynomial Px at x equal to k and it is denoted by Pk. This Pk. For example, Px is equal to x square minus 2x minus 6. Suppose we put x equal to 3. That is, at the place of x you will write 3. Then this Px3, it is equal to this 3 square minus 2 into x3 minus 6. Now solve this right hand side. This 3 square, 9 minus 3 to the 6 minus 6. Then it is 9 as it is, minus 6, both are negative, then you should be add, and minus 6, it is minus 12. 9 minus 12, it is minus 3. Therefore, value of this polynomial Px at x equal to 3 is minus 3. Now 0 of a polynomial. A real number k is said to be 0 of the polynomial Px if Pk equal to 0. Now see here, if this value is 0, if you get, after putting x equal to 3 in this polynomial. If you get value 0 means ये value यदि 0 हो जाए, in that case you will say this 3 it is the 0 of the polynomial. For example, here see px is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. At x you will write 3 here. Then this p3 it is equal to x 3 square minus 2 into x 3 minus 3. P3 it is 3 square 9, 2 3 ja 6 minus 3. 9 minus 6, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Since this P3 equal to 0, that means you will say this 3 it is the 0 of this quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 3. Now, geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial. Geometrically, the zeros of a polynomial px are the x coordinate of the point where graph of the polynomial y is equal to px intersect the x-axis. For example, let this y is equal to px, it is a polynomial, and graph of this is this, y is equal to px. This graph intersect the x-axis at point minus 1 and coordinate of this point is minus 1, 0. Therefore, zeros of this polynomial is minus 1. Graphical meaning. In the graphical meaning, it is a point on the x-axis where graph intersect the x-axis. For example, this is the graph of the polynomial y is equal to px. This graph intersect the x-axis at point minus 1. Therefore, 0 of this px it is minus 1. Now, number of zeros of a polynomial. If we draw the graph of the polynomial and if graph intersect the x-axis at suppose 3 points, then number of zeros of that polynomial is 3. The number of points where graph intersect the x-axis is called number of zeros. For example, if a graph intersect x-axis at 3 points, then number of zeros equal to 3. Similarly, if graph intersect the x-axis at 2 points, then number of zeros is 2. If graph intersect the x-axis at only 1 point, then number of zeros is 1. And if graph does not intersect the x-axis at any point, then number of zeros of that polynomial is 0, or in other words, you can say the polynomial has no zeros. For today, that's all.